Guys, Jason from TechAU here, and today I want to talk about a new product that's just landed. It's the new Nanoleaf Elements light panels, which are absolutely awesome. Let me show you. So here they are. This is the product packaging, and essentially, like all the other Nanoleaf and lighting products, they're modular, right? So you can arrange them in the way that you want, and I've thrown them up on my office wall here. Little controller down the bottom, so we can turn it on or off. And when they're off, I love the look of them. They're just like wood, sort of a nice design element. So then when you fire them on, you've got all these different types of colors and shades. I love that golden one, that looks amazing. And of course you can have it respond to music if you want as well. So when you've got some music playing or I'm talking, you can see that it's changing color. It just adds a really nice flavor to the office, and I've got some LED strip lighting along the back as well. But yeah, this is the latest addition, the Nanoleaf Elements range. It's available now.